Okay, so this video here is about how to clean your antique wood furniture that's painted. I'm not sure if this chair is actually an antique, but it was certainly most likely manufactured in an antique way. And it's got, it's got wear on the paint in some spots, like up here and on the arms where you rub against getting in and out of the chair. It's got dust down here, and it just all needs to be cleaned up. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove this sticker. Well, I can do this off camera. The soap that I'm using is 2 cups of water, a 1/4 cup of dish detergent, and a spoonful or so of vinegar. I've got my lint-free, well, mostly lint-free rags here. This is just what I have available. And I'm going to dunk those in that, wring them out, and then just wipe everything down. So enjoy. That's off enough. I'm going to start with the rockers on the bottom, because why clean the top and then put the top on the floor? This floor is somewhat clean. This is a car wash bay at my work, so usually it's all covered in dirt and all that loveliness. I'd say for the most part is no exception, but it is pretty clean in here right now. I swept the floor in the area that I'm working. Okay, so I just dunked it in. Get as much of it out as you can. And start wiping it down. Oh my. That is dusty. Get underneath. Wow, that's gross. That's what's nice about doing this in here is I don't care how much of the soap and water I get on the floor. If you have any small cuts on your hands like I do, it would be a great idea to wear gloves because there is vinegar in this mixture. According to different things I've read, you can go without the vinegar or the dish soap, but I have the vinegar, so I figured I'd use it. And needed to buy dish soap anyway, so okay. I think what I might do is get another container with some water in it and wipe it all down after this initial cleaning is done. Just in case this leaves a film, which it will, but I've never cleaned furniture using this mixture before. I wanted to try and make sure that I'm doing it right, because Something else that would probably be good to do, I'm not going to do it today, would be to put a wax on it. I don't know if this paint is in really good enough shape to be worthy of putting a wax on. But having it wet, it really brings out it just looks really nice when it's wet. So I guess if there's a way to get a wet look to it, it would be with wax. Maybe I'll do it, maybe not. Maybe I'll make a video, maybe I won't. We'll see. If there's anybody in the comments that says that they want a video of me applying wax to this chair or any other piece of furniture that I might do in the future, if I decide to continue doing this, like if this investment attempt works out, then feel free to leave a comment down below, and if I've done one, then I'll say so and point you in the direction of that video, and if not, then I suppose I'll make one. Did I do this iron already? I don't think I did. It is recommended that, when you do the flat surfaces like this, you go in circles. I did kind of forget that because I have so many obstacles to go around. Like all of these posts. Which I'm not sure if they're still called posts when it's furniture. I believe it is. Just like these arms are called rails. Paint's a little rougher here on the top where it's worn out. Just go over it like it doesn't make a difference. That's what I'm doing anyways. I think I've just about got every surface on this rocking chair here. So, I'm gonna go get some, I'm gonna go dump that out, put clean water in it, and wipe it down one more time, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so I've taken some clean water, wiped it down, took another rag, dried it off, and It doesn't look super great because the paint on it isn't in the best shape, but now we can at least say it's clean, and it certainly is comfortable. So if you liked this video, thank you very much for watching. Feel free to leave comments if you haven't. I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.